New news! Hot Wheels monster trucks are at it again on Monster Island. We go to sports.
That's right. The Hot Wheels monster trucks are competing in a tournament to see which one can jump the farthest. They'll launch down a ramp and over a pool of ooze. The rules are simple. You ooze, you lose. Ready? Let's jump.
Round 1. Mega Rex versus Hot Wheels Racing number 1.
Wow, look how steep this ramp is. Those tires are monstrous.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
And we're off. Oh, airborne. Splat. Let's see that again. And Mega Rex moves on.
Round 2. Roger Dodger versus Category 5.
I can't get over the size of these tires.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Now that's just disgusting. Sunk by the sludge.
Round 3. Bone Shaker versus Tiger Shark. Go big, go Hot Wheels.
What a jump! Let's see that again. What time is it? Slime time.
Round 4. Hot Wheels Racing number 3 versus Test Subject. Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Look at that distance. That was so good, let's see it twice. Oh, he'll be washing that out of his ears. Wow, what an amazing qualifier. Let's move on to the semifinals.
Round 5. Mega Rex versus Roger Dodger. Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Oh, clears it by a mile. Look, Mom, I can fly. Hope he brought a snorkel.
Round 6. Hot Wheels Racing number 3 versus Tiger Shark. Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Oh my, what a launch! Let's see that again. And Tiger Shark jumps his way into the finals.
Championship.
If Roger Dodger is going to win, he will have to outjump the shark.
Tiger Shark versus Roger Dodger.
For the finals, they've added a larger pool of slime with more oozing bubbles and crash and connect cars to make the landing even tougher.
Go big, go Hot Wheels.
Oh my, have you ever seen a tiger fly? Clears it by a mile. And Tiger Shark is our champion. Incredible finish by Tiger Shark, who takes home the trophy for the long jumping. Stay tuned for more Hot Wheels monster truck competitions in this tournament of Titan.